Hello students, good morning. Welcome to s2s क्लासेस। आज हम ये वीडियो +1 क्लास का बना रहे हैं और इसमें हमने 2 लेक्चर दे दिए थे, तो आपको ये 3rd लेक्चर आज अपलोड भी मिल जाएगा और इसमें कंटिन्यूअस रखेंगे हम। उसमें हमने टाइप्स ऑफ सेट्स डिस्कस किए थे and subset की definition, and in types of sets forward continuous that some more sets are there. So today we are going to discuss union set. It is a collection of it is a set of collection of all the elements of two sets A and B. Example, if set A equal 1 2 4 5, set B equal 2 4 6 8, then their union of two sets, always it is the union of two sets and it is a set. So union of two sets, it is a set. A union B is a set where collection of all the elements from the both sets. All the elements 1 2 4 5 2 4 6 8 which are repeated, that only once will come. So 1 2 4 5 6 8, this is your A union B set. Okay, now intersection set also, it is a set of all common elements. In this common elements only, intersection word is saying कॉमन, इंटरसेक्शन, यूनियन टुगेदर, यूनियन इकट्ठा करना. ओके, क्लियर फ्रॉम द वर्ड यूनियन. एंड इंटरसेक्शन मीन्स HCF, हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर, यानी जो दोनों में कॉमन है एलिमेंट्स, दैट एलिमेंट्स विल कम हेयर. सो ए यूनियन एग्जाम्पल फॉर दिस. Okay, it is a set of all common elements in two sets A and B. Example, if set A equal 2 4 6, set B equal 1 2 3 4, then what is A intersection B? A intersection symbol I told in the second lecture, this is downward parabola, downward, this is upward, union U, and it is reciprocal of U. Okay, 180 डिग्री पे घुमा दो उसको, डाउनवर्ड कर दो. A intersection B, this is a set of common elements in A and B. What are the common elements? Which element in both? 2 here also, and 3 not, 1 not, 4 also common, and 6 not common. Then only 2 and 4 are common element in A and B. So A intersection B is equal to set with 2 element 2, 4. Done. So like this only you have to take simple. Clear? Now universal set. Universal set. Write universal set. Yes, universal set. Universal. We are generally using this word universal truth. It is universal truth. Universal is the one area, one field in the superior sense, means we can take, for example, all triangle set. Means that different many types of that, but एक area fix हो गया triangle, all triangles, all quadrilateral. Like this sense, universal. Okay, specific many subsets are there in one universal. Universal is the big area, big field, big situation. Okay, so like this, think. So now universal set definition, it is a set of many elements which are in closed area or closed area, field or super part means it is a set of many elements which are in closed area or closed field or super part or fixed situation, like that. Example, for example, I told you as set of all the triangles. Set of all the triangles. Many types के, many. Yes, example, set of all triangles. Or example, many. Set of all quadrilateral. यानी वन एक फैमिली है, वो एक क्लोज्ड सिचुएशन है, एक क्लोज्ड थिंग्स है, क्लोज्ड अंडरस्टैंडिंग है, एक एरिया है, कोई फील्ड है, कोई सुपर पार्ट है. ओके, वी कैन टेक यूनिवर्सल सेट all digits, set of all digits, universal set. We may take, okay, set of 2-digit numbers. एक हॉल एरिया क्लोज कर दिया आपने 2-digit नंबर, यू कैन टेक यूनिवर्सल सेट. ओके, that is generally one closed field according to that sentence. So here set of all triangles, set of all quadrilateral, all quadrilateral. Set of all quadrilateral. So many examples you may give behind this. Okay. Now after that, complement of a set. Complement of a set. Yes. Now, under complement, you understand, as we are saying, two angles, complementary angles, one in respect to the other. One condition, one fixed rule, okay, sum of the two angles is 90 degree. Then they are complement angles to each other. So here, complement means if union of the two sets is equal to the one universal set. If union of the two sets is equal to the universal set. Universal set, I told you, fixed area, all elements in that as all the triangles set. So means in that anyone is complement of the other if we are taking the remaining element in the universal set after deduction the all the elements of set A. And set A is related to any one universal set must be there. Set A set must be the subset of a universal set, and then we can find the complement of that set A. And complement of that set A will be a set which will have all the element after deleting the all element of set A in universal set, under which universal set this set A is the subset of a universal set. Then we can find complement of set A. So with the help of example you will understand complement of set definition you can write of a set A. It is a set of universal set minus set A. This it is a set of U minus A. It is a set of elements. It is a set of elements U minus A. It is a set of the element of universal set minus set A. This. It means complement always will be asked if any universal set given, and under universal set one subset given, as here A is the subset of universal set, and here for every A is the subset of universal set. U is the universal set. This is universal set. Universal set. This is universal set U, and A is the subset. A is subset of universal set. Okay? So like this, all elements of U minus A set is called the complement of set A. Example, you will understand with the example. Okay, let universal set is equal to all digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let universal set represented by large and bold U, large size of U. This is universal set. It is fixed. It is always symbol for the universal set. So universal set symbol is big size U. Union is small size, and this is large size. This is the representation of universal set. Always universal set by this large U. Okay. Now subset, any subset you can take. Let A, you are taking subset of this 2, 4, 6, 8. You are taking this. Then if A this, then complement of set A is equal complement written A dash, complement set A dash, or A C, small c, A complement, or dash means also complement. So A dash complement of set A. This will be equal, this is equal U minus A. I told the subtraction of two set. U minus A means remaining element after deleting the all elements which are common in U and A. So remaining element of U. So remaining element of U is the large, always universal, A is the subset. So subtract the subset, and a remaining element after deleting the all elements of set A in U. So the in U, what are A? 2, 4, 6, 8. So 2, 4, 6, 8 cancel out. Deleted, removed. Subtraction I told you of the two sets. So subtraction of u and a, so u minus a is equal to remaining element 0 after deleting common 1, 2 deleted, 3, 4 deleted common, then 5, 6 deleted, then 7, 8 deleted, then 9. This is the complement of A. Clear this? Yes, okay. So complement set is subtraction of universal minus that set. And subtraction of two sets, I told you, deleting the all common element from the first set and second, the remaining in first, that will be subtraction. If A minus B, remaining in A. If B minus A, remaining in B will be the B minus A. Clear? This I told you in the lesson 2, subtraction of two sets. Okay. Now after this, complement and the universal set, after that some points more. Okay, if any set you want to write in the real number sense, if you want to write all real number set from 1 to 3, understand? A and B, let A comma B are two real numbers then between two real numbers, all real number you want to write. Integer so you can write. Between 1 and 10, how many integers? You can write 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But between two integer or two real number, we can say many real numbers are there. Between two integers, infinite real numbers are there. Between two integer also, infinite real numbers. So all real number set we want to write between the two real number, how can write? Because roster form we can't make. All the element we can't write because infinite real numbers are there between the two numbers. Maybe both numbers integer, maybe both numbers any number. But between the two numbers, infinite real numbers are there. So how can write the real number set in one other form? One to that roster form we can't write, but set builder form we can write. In which set builder form we can write by the representation. Okay, with x element, x is a real number. So between that we can write in that. Okay, but this one more method to represent this set builder form, तो है ही हमारे पास one और other form. Okay, interval form. Then real number A and B, then x element greater than and A and less than x greater than A and less than B. Then how can write this? This we can write, okay, x belongs to open interval A comma B. This is called interval form. This form called interval. Interval form. Any real number set, we can write like this: if x greater than a and less than b, and between a and b, all real number, set, we can write this, that x is real number, so x belongs to this. So now this is our first case. If second case, if x real number included a and greater than and equal a and less than b, then this can be written in the interval form set x belongs to interval form set. What? A closed. Closed means square bracket and included a between all, included a, and a is there and between all, but b is not there. So a comma b open, we are saying open interval, common bracket, closed interval, closed means included, means square bracket. So included element square, open that not include. Okay, now after that third case, these will be like this, four cases. So if x greater than and equal a and less than and equal b, if included both and between all, greater than and equal to a and less than equal to b, always here a is less than b, always a is less than b, and smaller number a and larger number b, between that we are discussing these four cases. If x greater than equal to a and less than equal to b, then this can be written in interval form, okay, x belongs to the set, set interval form, closed, included a, closed square bracket, comma, included b, this also closed. These are called interval form of a set, set written into interval form. Okay, and this using for all real number set between the two numbers a and b. Okay, we can't make all list, so interval form is the important to write the any set which set in real number form. Many real numbers are there. Okay, so this, and then fourth you can write fourth, if x greater than a and less than equal b, this part, then this implies open a not included but b included, so a comma b closed, this. So think these four: one, both open; second, first include, last one not; third, both included, a and b and between all; and in fourth, first not included and the last b is included. So closed, where included, closed. Keep in your mind, this is the simple thing, okay, bracket, square bracket where this included. If both included, then both square bracket. तो ब्रैकेट है, इनको क्लोज्ड इंटरवल, ओपन इंटरवल बोलते हैं हम यहाँ पर, कहते हैं इनको, ठीक है। क्लोज्ड का मतलब इंक्लूडेड दैट एलिमेंट एंड ओपन का मतलब वो नहीं है उसके नियर। जैसे यू वांट टू राइट all the real numbers. If you want to write example, all real number x greater than 0 less than 1. So how you will write this? You will write that open interval 0 comma 1 open, x belongs to this. You can write. If you want to write minus 2 x greater than equal minus 2 and less than 7. If you want to write all real number between 7 and minus 2 included and between less than 7. So if you want to write this, if, then this x belongs to, example, x belongs to what? Closed minus 2 and all between real numbers up to near to 7. And open 7 because less than 7, not included. So nearest 7, less than 7. We can't write which will be the nearest 7 and less than 7. We can't write. So like this interval form are required to give the real number set like these. Okay? So these are called the set interval form. If set interval form you know, this given, okay, these are set interval form, write in this form. So we can write x greater than equal to minus 2 and less than 7. Okay, and set builder form we can make from this, okay, x such that x is a real number. We can write set builder form x such that x is a real number. For this example, x is a real number, okay, comma, x greater than equal to minus 2 less than 7. This we can write, or we can write directly this, okay, minus 2 closed comma 7. This is the set interval form of all the real number from minus 2 to less than 7. From minus 2 to less than 7. Okay? Clear? Now, this is the set interval form. Now one point more I want to discuss related to that, disjoint set. More sets. Disjoint. Disjoint. Disjoint set. Sets. These are the pair of sets. Disjoint set. Near sets. Disjoint sets. It is a pair of set. It is a pair of sets. Disjoint यानी एक दूसरे के disjoint हैं. So it is a set A. Like this, set A and B, set A and B are disjoint. Disjoint set. Disjoint sets if set A and B are disjoint set if intersection of both is empty set. If A intersection B common element is equal to empty set. Empty set का meaning 5 and no element common. A intersection B is empty set, means no element is common. Empty set means 5, which I written empty. I told in the lecture 1. Empty set represented by special symbol 5, symbol letter, special letter, Greek language letter 5. Always every empty set written with 5. Okay, no element in this set, so represented by 5. So A intersection B is 5. then A and B are disjoint set. So like that example, simple. If A equal to 2, 4, 5 and B equal 1, 3, then A and B are disjoint set. Okay, clear? Because common element is not there, so empty intersection is empty set. So A and B are A and B are disjoint sets because A intersection B common element is empty set. Clear? So disjoint set is very simple. Intersection is 5, then both sets are disjoint to each other. A and B are disjoint or B to A also disjoint. Okay, if two disjoint set, what is that subtraction? Tell me, if this same example, if A equal to 2, 4, 5 and B equal to 1, 3, what is A minus B? What is A minus B? What is A minus B? Tell me. A minus B equal, हाँ जी, कॉमन एलिमेंट डिलीटेड, नो कॉमन इन ए एंड बी, तो ए में से कौन डिलीट होगा? ए में से बी डिलीट होना, बट बी यहाँ है ही नहीं कुछ भी, नो कोई एलिमेंट ही नहीं बी का यहाँ, तो बी डिलीट कर रहे हैं हम ए में से, तो ए एज इट इज़ बच गया यहाँ पर 2, 4, 5, नो एलिमेंट कॉमन विच वी कैन डिलीट फ्रॉम ए बिकॉज ए माइनस बी. If B minus A for the same example, what will be B minus A? B minus A will be equal to, from B. Now B में से डिलीट करो जो कॉमन है A के साथ, A में कुछ कॉमन ही नहीं है तो ये B आ जाएगा. B minus A as it is B, because no common element which we may delete, जिसको हम कैंसिल कर सकते हैं, डिलीट कर सकते हैं, हटा सकते हैं, ऐसा कोई एलिमेंट है ही नहीं बी में, ए के साथ से कॉमन है ही नहीं, तो बी एज इट इज़. सो दिस एग्जाम्पल इम्पोर्टेंट, ए माइनस बी एंड बी माइनस इफ बोथ आर डिसजॉइंट. क्लियर? यस. नाउ आई वांट टू से कि दिस लेक्चर इज ओवर. You watch, like, share and subscribe the channel and comment box में अपना comment ज़रूर लिखें. Thank you.